Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to send a fake live location on WhatsApp on your iPhone. For example, if you want to send location and you do not want to share your live location and you want to send the fake location on your iPhone to that person, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to scroll it down, and after that, you have to find transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And the next thing you can do is you can also reset all settings, and the next thing you have to do is you have to really look for your location settings on your iPhone, and here you have to make sure that you do not provide any live location feature. So you have to first of all turn off the location uh, which you are providing live. So you have to turn off the location of your iPhone. So you have to simply turn off all the settings, and after that you have to turn off, and you have to click on that, and after that what you have to do, you have to go back. Now what you have to do, you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store you can simply find many apps which you provide fake GPS location, and you can search for them, and after that you can simply make sure that the app can work for you. So here you have to simply search for fake GPS, and after that here you can search for it, and you can check any of the apps you want to get, and after that you can simply use that location and send it on your WhatsApp without any problem. So in this way you can simply send the live fake location to anyone on WhatsApp. So hope you have liked this video. To get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.